Did you know that the motor can work without magnets? Hello Hacktours and welcome back to my channel, and today video will be experiment with small DC motors. Let's start. Here it is, the simple DC motor, and it consists of commutator, the rotor coils, the shaft, the brushes and the stator magnets. These are all parts for making a small DC motor. Now I'm gonna disassemble one of these motors and build on a small wooden piece all the parts, and you can see how does it work. And here it is, a naked DC motor. Here it is the shaft, the rotor coils, here it is the commutator with brushes, but the magnets are missing. Let's try it. Now let's connect 3 volts, because these DC motors work on 3 volts. And it's not spinning. Why? Because we need a magnet. Here are the magnets. And just look what happens when I close the magnets. So you get it. The motor can't work without magnets. Now I'm gonna try it, this more powerful magnet. You can run the DC motor with only one magnet. See? And it's even more powerful. Whoa. When the magnet is close to the rotor, the motor is running faster. If I remove the magnet, the motor stops. I make this gadget just to show you how the DC motor works. And it's good looking this way. Maybe I will use in my next projects. I hope you liked today's video presentation. Please give a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See ya!